welcome back to the channel. And it's Landen World. See my toy right here?
What do you got there, Landen?
I got my toy.
What?
And see these?
Who are they?
This is his superhero, but it's okay, but he can be in here.
And what's his name? Who is that guy?
This is Rebel, and this is a Marshall.
Wow.
A regular Marshall.
Regular Marshall, and you got all these other Marshalls here.
Yeah.
And you got this cool truck.
Let me show you them.
This is so awesome, Landen.
Down in the comments, see which one is the real one.
Which one? Show us.
This one is the best, so I like it, so it's better.
It's better?
Yeah, and Daddy made this shorter.
Wow. We gotta find all the other characters. Where are they? We gotta find them.
Yeah, this is Sky Spot, and this is Zuma Spot, and this is Rebel Spot, and this is Marshall Spot.
Okay, let's get them out here.
Open this door, Mom.
We gotta find them, Landen. Come on. We gotta find them.
I got to take all my toys out. That's why we.
Who is that?
What?
Marshall.
A big Marshall.
Giant Marshall.
Yeah.
And now we gotta find Rebel.
No, I already see Marshall.
We gotta find Rebel's car.
Yeah.
Where are you, Rebels?
Where are you, Rebel car?
Oh my goodness.
I see something.
I see something.
I see something.
Wow,
Wait,
you found it.
Wait a minute. This is the one.
Show me. Yes, there you go. You found them. Rebel, we found your car.
I'm going to set it right here.
Yep. And now we can put Rebels in here.
Yeah, but
Go,
it's
Rebel.
okay. No, it's got to be this way so it can dry. Dig it. And this looks up too.
Let me see. Wow, like a bulldozer.
And this go up too.
We really need
Wait, I
to...
need something.
What? Tractor?
Tracker car, and I see Tracker.
Whoa. You found them. So cool.
Now I got a vehicle. I'm going to put it next to Rebel.
Yep. And they are together.
Yeah, I'm going to put it right here.
Wow.
Marshall upside down.
Marshall, we didn't forget about you.
And I'm going to put it right here.
Awesome. Now, who else are we missing? Let's see. What? Oh, that's not it.
Ew.
We need to find Chase. We really need to find Chase. We really gotta find you, Chase.
Yeah, we need your normal. We need your firefighter engine more.
What?
Yeah.
Elastigirl?
I
What are you doing?
buy that from McDonald's.
I don't know if we ever gonna find Chase.
Wait.
What is it?
Pirates.
Chase! Pirate Chase, there you are.
But he can't even stand up.
No, we still need to find your car. Let's see.
He don't have no car.
Where could you be, Chase? Where could you be? Maybe you're in here. Are you in here, Chase?
We need to find your people.
I really don't know. It's just so many toys. Who is this? Robodog?
Robodog! I got one of these like Tyler.
You got 2 Robodogs.
Wait.
Ah! You have 2 Robodogs?
Look at this one. These are the same. These are the pirates.
Oh my goodness.
I
We still need to find... What? I see them. We found them too. We found them.
We need his vehicle. Mommy, why you?
And then I found something. I found Chase's car.
Wait, this is his normal car.
Whoa, you have so many.
I took all of them out. I stacked them out.
Okay, so do we have everybody?
Yep.
We don't have Sky.
Yeah. I'm sorry I left Sky.
And Zuma. We need to find Zuma.
Yeah, Zuma's car.
Oh, and Zuma car. Oh no, we need to find them. And Sky. We gotta keep looking.
Stack them off. I'm gonna put them.
No, it's not in there. Let's just play with what we got.
Yeah. Mommy, I let you play with this.
Okay. I really like to play.
Okay. And I'm going to put Chase around.
Whoa, Chase is on the case.
Ah!
Oh no, Chase crashed.
Rubble is going out.
We really need to put someone at the top. Let's show them how this works. How do we lift this? Whoa.
You do it like this.
Oh, there it goes. They gotta get to the fire, so they're gonna have to go to the top. And that's how you make it go higher.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then don't go super higher.
It don't go super higher?
Nope.
You put Marshall in here?
Oh, that's...
Marshall is coming!
Someone can be right here, but Ryder can be right here.
Okay. What about Robo-Dog? Where are we going to put Robo-Dog? Don't forget about Robo.
Robo-Dog? Hey, Robo-Dog! Come aboard!
Come aboard. And we have Glacier Marshall, the Snow Marshall.
He don't have no spot.
And then we have Pirate Chase. And we have another Robo-Dog.
Huh. Oh, Mama moved it. Watch out! It's a blown up.
Oh, look at these.
Oh!
We gotta use this.
We gotta use that for dirt.
Yeah. And there's a ladder on here.
Yeah. We need that for the back of the fire when we don't see it.
Really?
Yeah.
What are these guys doing? Are you okay?
Okay. We okay, man?
Oh my goodness. What are these guys doing?
They're putting back in.
They're trying to save the fire?
No, they're not, dude. I'm pretending I'm spraying the fire.
Oh my goodness.
See?
Did it break?
Yeah.
It don't work anymore?
But it comes down. It do work. The little beagles work.
The little beagles work?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Get off of me.
What happened? Robo-Dog?
No, this Robo-Dog is a bad guy.
He's bad.
Yeah, he's a bad guy.
What did he do? Oh no.
He's a bad guy, so I can break him.
We gotta get the good Robo-Dog. Are you good, Robo-Dog?
Ruff, ruff. Yes, I am. I am a good Robo-Dog.
Please be a good Robo-Dog. We only like good dogs. And what's in here? Oh wow.
You help me did that?
There's a compartment in here.
Yeah.
What goes in there?
This?
Who is that?
That's the car. That's the car in there.
Oh, nice.
You put the car in there.
And what about this little thing?
Yeah.
Whoa.
But we got set it in, so I'm setting this down.
Okay. That's really cool, Landen.
It's almost like my size.
And how do we turn the sound on? How do you turn the sound on, Landen?
You gotta wait. That's how you push push it.
Push it. Are you really strong?
Yep.
Wow.
That's the noise.
You got it, Landen?
Yep.
There you go.
That's a crazy noise.
It is.
Yeah, he gotta be driving like Marshall.
Why?
That's why there's the dogs. He's another bad guy.
No bad guys. We only want good guys. No way. Coolest thing I ever saw.
Wait. What is going on?
Show me.
Marshall! I forgot Marshall.
What happened?
I left him by accident. Ah! He keep falling.
Let me see. Let me get close and personal with Marshall.
Oh, it's hat. Pup treats for Marshall. Just ate one of the pup treats.
What?
He went to the bottom.
And Rubble?
And somebody else is coming.
Who could it be? I think it's Chase. It's Chase.
And somebody else.
Oh no, Robo Dog. And could it be someone else coming? Tractor. I knew it was you, Tractor.
No, his name is Tracker.
Tracker.
Tracker is Vigo. Tracker is Vigo. Oh, I got some. I got do Marshall Vigo first.
Okay, do Marshall. Marshall.
I'm not gonna do this cause I gotta use it with my hands.
Okay.
You can't leave it about his friends. All the friends gotta be right here with his team.